keeps you up. You blow me until I can't take anymore. You squeeze into my hole.
Oh gosh, the balloon!
That's what I said. She did. She's
not.
That keeps you up.
Airbag. Air balloon.
You squeeze into
Hot air
Parachute.
balloon.
Parachute.
You squeeze into my hole.
Sleeping bag.
Blow me until I can't take anymore.
Yeah, like a balloon because it explodes.
Bubble gum.
You go swimming with me.
Floaty. Inner tube.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How does that keep you up?
I start with an F.
It doesn't keep you up at night, it just keeps you
Keeps you up on what?
I start with an F. I end with a K. If you can't get me, you have to use your hands.
I didn't hear any of that.
That is definitely.
I start with an F. I end with a K. If you can't get me, you have to use your hands.
Freak.
Truck.
That's what I was thinking.
Freak.
No, it wasn't. I just said an F and a K word.
Fook. Feck. Feek. Freak.
You have a small vocabulary.
You eat with your hands if you don't have okay.
Oh,
I can be a pain in your joint. The only active. Oh, I can't read. The more active I am, the stiffer you get. I can make you bend over.
a pain in your joint.
Some kind of weight room thing. I don't know.
A hernia? I don't.
No. Pain in your joint.
Muscle.
In your joint. A pain.
Sprained ankle.
No.
I'm not a doctor like you. I didn't go to medical camp in California.
Arthritis.
Is that what it was?
Yeah. I'll beat my meat for you. You can call me a butt peddler. I can choke your chicken.
Butcher.
Yeah.
I already said it, Anna. Don't try and make it your own.
I vibrate. I'm a lot of fun between your legs. I can handle 2 at a time.
Mechanical bull. What? That's logical.
No, that's not it.
Read it again.
I vibrate. I'm a lot of fun between your legs. I can handle 2 at a time.
I love how serious you are when you say it. We need to think of this fast because this video is going to shut off in 10 seconds.
I don't know.
I don't know either. Give us a hint. Motorcycle.
Oh.